Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to see the previous Discord servers you joined. Let's dive right in. Open the Discord app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon at the top to open settings. On the settings page, tap on the privacy and safety option. Scroll down to the end and find Request all of my data, then tap on it. A pop-up screen will appear to submit your data request. Tap on Request My Data to submit the request. After you submit your request, Discord will send you an email to the address you registered with. This email will contain data from the last 30 days of your Discord account, including the previous servers you joined. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.